Today is both a happy and historic day for Bantayan. It is happy because for the first time in Bantayan's history, more than 1,500 volunteers have converged in this little island for the GK Bayanihan Challenge 2011 to join hands and build not just houses but homes.
Something extraordinary is happening right here in Bantayan.
And I was watching the volunteers, ang kainit sa adlaw, ang naglagiting nga kainit sa adlaw, wa panumbalinga. Especially from our volunteers coming from other countries. Ato silang dawaton sa masipagpakpak.
With your selfless act of volunteerism, leaving behind your comfortable homes and coming all the way to this, the northernmost part of the province of Cebu, to do your share, block by block, under the heat of the sun, to make the lives of the poorest of the poor a little better. Truly, you deserve our utmost gratitude, and I must salute you all.
The challenge is for every Filipino to respond to nation building. Hindi pwede gobyerno lang, hindi pwede private lang, tayo lahat. Yung trabaho ng pagtayo ng bayan ay tawag sa bawat nilalang, bawat Pilipino, walang edad na kinakilala. We have to build solidarity. Whether you're Catholic, you're non-Catholic, you're Muslim, you're non-Muslim, we have to build solidarity. Because that is the only way that we can build this country.
Seeing you giving so much of yourselves for the Cebuanos, I can do no less but offer as well. Since Congressman Ben-Hur has pledged the amount of 3 million pesos, so too shall the province of Cebu for this project, our project. Pilipinas natin, mga bayani natin.
This is what volunteerism for nation or township development is all about. Volunteerism, maayos naman yan eh. Madali namang mag-volunteer eh. Ang tanong, para saan tayo nagbo-volunteer? Malaki ang nagagawa ng 1,700 na iisa lamang yung adhikain kaysa 1 milyon na 1 milyon din yung adhikain.
If there's volunteerism, there's unity. At ma-feel ko talaga yung how volunteerism really would makahimo gyud o mga dagkong butang nga di nato mahimo siguro sa usa ka tao lang.
You have to love our country, you have to love our people.
And I'd like to quote former President Aquino when she said, Gawad Kalinga is people power and people power is Gawad Kalinga. Kaya sa GK, walang iwanan. We don't quit on our country. We don't quit on the poor. We don't quit on each other. We are brothers and sisters. This will not be the last time we will visit Bantayan Island or the Cebu province. Walang iwanan to hanggang dulo, sagad-sagad sa dulo yung pagmamahal. Yung totoong Pilipino, hindi magulo. Yung totoong Pilipino, makikipagtulungan sa kapwang Pilipino. Yung totoong Pilipino, walang utak talangka. Yung totoong Pilipino, makikiisa sa kapwa Pilipino. And that's what you're doing.
Narito tayong lahat sapagkat naniniwala tayo sa kahulugan ng solidarity, sa kahulugan ng pagkakaisa, sa kahulugan ng pagmamahal at pagkalinga sa kapwa. Wala pong kulay ang pagkakaisa, walang kulay ang pagmamahal sa kapwa, walang kulay ang pagmamahal sa bayan.
You are our heroes. Mabuhi ang Gawad Kalinga!